Imagine getting rewarded and receiving shopping discounts for your weekly amount of exercise. Sounds great, does it not? This is exactly what the a.s.r. Vitality app does for you. With the aim of helping users to make healthy choices, the app offers weekly, monthly, and annual rewards when they reach their exercise goals. Today we will introduce how a.s.r. Vitality app creates health norms and how it relates to notions of Michel Foucault's work, the panopticon, social hygiene, and the care of the self.
a.s.r. Vitality is a platform based on behavior science that rewards people when working on healthy lifestyles. It is a health program established by the American behavior change platform Vitality and a.s.r., a Dutch health insurance company based in Utrecht. The concept of a.s.r. Vitality is to keep people healthy and enhance the importance of sustainable employability. The app targets three main categories of customers, including individuals, entrepreneurs or freelancers, and employers. Even companies can use this app for their employees so that they can have healthier lifestyles, so they also attempt to work on both personal and organizational skills. a.s.r. works according to the shared value concept that the company is aiming for. When a user reaches the goals according to the app, he or she will receive rewards or premium discounts from various kinds of brands. To use the app and get weekly rewards, users need to pay €3.50 per month for the subscription. These goals can be considered a measure to judge whether someone is living a healthy life. For example, users are supposed to exercise for at least 30 minutes or walk for more than 8,000 steps per day. After doing the exercise, people can receive discounts for an online store or a coupon from the a.s.r. webshop.
Receiving rewards as a price for cultivating healthy habits may sound like a utopian dream, but we need to keep in mind that the subscription fee is not the only price people have to pay for the service. Michel Foucault believed that the power and knowledge come from observing others. That's why he used the panopticon as a metaphor to explain it. What does it have to do with the a.s.r. Vitality? The company can compare its users' data and see how people react to different objectives. Who is more likely to give up, and who will do absolutely anything to achieve the goal and earn the prize. The affordances of the app enable the company to shape the user's behavior. It also adjusts their lifestyle so they can fully devote themselves to fit in and be normal.
From Foucault's perspective, hygiene consistently links to the body, and individuals need to control the cleanliness to make the whole society healthy. The concept of hygiene can be strongly related to health, which is why it is useful in analyzing the health tracking a.s.r. Vitality app. Users will feel great after completing an exercise and satisfied with being rewarded from the app. Because according to Foucault, in order to achieve this desired evaluation, users need total control over their bodies in a way that meets certain norms. People receive the positive pleasure with a.s.r. Vitality because they will continue to work out to have more rewards. However, users need to exercise more than 3 times per week rather than eating junk food. They need self-control. They are encouraged to organize their daily lives in a certain way because of the rewards they can earn after achieving the goals. Based on our bodies and what we do with our bodies, others can judge us as normal or abnormal. Achieving the app's goals not only rewards users with points, but also helps them receive the desired evaluation from others.
Another way users can be rewarded is through a health check. During the health check, users' body mass index, waist size, blood pressure, blood sugar level, and cholesterol are measured. The results together form an overview of the individual's health situation. So, we can see how a.s.r. Vitality uses health sciences as discourses of truth to judge whether someone has a normal or abnormal health situation. But the app has received some negative reviews from users. Many complain about the lack of customer support from a.s.r. itself. Perhaps their health and body are sensitive subjects, or perhaps they, in a way, reject the standardized concept of a normal body that a.s.r. vitality communicates.
Let's move to the conclusion. The concept of a.s.r. vitality raises people's awareness about health and promotes modern standards of beauty and self-care. We can see the hygiene patterns of the society that Foucault illustrated are still present in modern society, especially the vital role of individuals in the process of reaching the healthiness. Whenever a.s.r. and Vitality Group intend to set the goals or care about their customers, it is undeniable that they still have monetary purposes by urging them to keep track of their health. The value of the rewards is not worth more than the insurance packages that customers have purchased. What happens when it becomes a standard to have information about your body and life shared, compared, and sold by big companies? It starts to look like we are locking ourselves in this panopticon of norms and are allowing big companies to observe and change our lives. Are we stepping into a better, healthier future or into a new season of Black Mirror?